Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Grub version and ensuring required tools. This prevents mismatches. Clone or download the theme into /usr/share/grub/themes or your downloads folder, and check the theme contains Grub, CFG or theme, TXT. Once done, install ImageMagick if images need resizing, and make a backup of /etc//default/grub. That file holds your boot settings. Make sure to run commands with sudo so files land in the right place. Otherwise, permissions will block Grub from reading the theme. You now place the theme where Grub expects it and point Grub at the theme file so the bootloader loads it. Change ownership to root and set permissions to 644 for files, 755 for directories. This avoids access errors. Then edit /etc//default/grub and set Grub theme to the theme. TXT full path. Relative paths are risky. Once updated, run sudo update grub or grub2mkconfig o/boot/grub/grub. CFG to regenerate the config and watch the command output for errors. You finish by rebooting to verify the new look. Press Shift or Escape during boot if the menu is hidden so you can confirm. If the theme does not appear, boot a live USB or use recovery to restore your backed up /etc//default/grub, then rerun the update grub step. Make sure theme paths are absolute, permissions are correct, and background images meet size constraints. Fixing a missing asset or typo usually resolves most failures. This is the fastest troubleshooting step to try first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.